Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Maps for walking directions. It's very important but it's very simple and easy. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more important tech tutorials. Now let's start. First open Google Maps on your phone. Then select a destination where you want to go. Then press and hold. After long press and hold, you can find this menu drop in option. Then tap on directions. See here, there are two options, your location and your destination. You can change your custom locations, set a location. See here, now we want to get direction for these two locations. See here, this is type directions. If you want to get walking direction, then tap on this. See here, you can get walking direction by following this process. It's very useful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more important tech tutorials. Thank you.